Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to take a complete look at how you can use the LinkedIn career section to find the right job opportunities faster and more effectively. LinkedIn is not just a networking platform, it's one of the most powerful tools for job searching, career growth, and professional visibility. So right now we are at the website of the LinkedIn, and this is the one of my profile that I have just opened up. And now I will let you know how you can search for any kind of job. In the search section you will search for any kind of job, like I'm searching for graphics designing job. Okay, and then just hit the enter button. Okay, and there you will get a lot of filters that you can apply, like you can apply for the job filter. If you're looking for the post, you can search for the post. If you are looking for the peoples, you can search for it. Okay, but for our right now we are looking for the jobs, so I will just select jobs. Okay, and it will show us all the jobs related to the graphic designing. As you can see that it has provided 2015 results. You can also search it by the date it has posted, like we can search it for by past 24 hours. Okay, and I will show you for the others as well. So it will show 441 result that has been posted in the last 24 hours. And you can also select the experience level here. Let's We are looking for an entry level, or you can also look for internships. Okay, so that's basically how you can use this career section of the LinkedIn. It's a very amazing feature. You can also select the company type. You will have multiple lots of options. You can select any of them, but right now I'm just skipping it. And you can also select that you are looking for on-site, remote, or hybrid job. We are looking for a remote job, so you will just select show and then just hit the enter button. It will show 36. So right now with our specification filter, there are like remote job with graphic designing in the which are posted in the last 24 hours are 38 results. And then you can just view these jobs, and then you can also directly apply with the help of your portfolio. You can just simply send them your CV, and they will review it, and they will get back to you. So that's how you basically use LinkedIn career section for searching entry level remote job. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.